Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we are going to learn how to write a SQL query from an employee table to query top 3 employee department wise based on their salary. So let's go with the solution. I will just show how to write it. So I will just writing the questions here. Query top 3 employee department wise based on their based on salary. So I will just start. I have already a table named employee. Just I will query it, select a star from employee. Let's query it even without this one also, it's fine. So you can see here these are columns: employee ID, employee name, department, salary, and joining date. So basically what exactly we want is like that you can see there are lots of departments mentioned like IT, HR, finance, marketing, ITHR. So it's this so based on this department, like for IT, let's take example that for IT, what are the top 3 employees who have the highest salary. So if we are gonna find out, like it will filter out like IT, HR, finance, marketing, and out of all these department there will be 3 top employees who have the highest salary descending wise. So I'm just gonna write the queries. I will start it with, I will just give employee rank as, okay, select, I will select all that column here, select a star from, or if you want you can ignore for just most of the optimizing the SQL query. You can take the employee ID, employee name, department, salary. Okay, fine. So I will just ignore this joining date, salary, and we are gonna use dense rank here. Dense rank over, like over is like based on what we are just doing those. So I will just take it as partition by. So here if you will see, one second, partition is spelling is color, so yeah, wrong. So now I can see that so over partition by, you can see the questions. Let's focus on the question first. So query top 3 employee department wise. So I will just do it here, department wise, order by. So based on salary we are deciding, so we will do this order by salary with descending order, RN D N K R N K. I will just do it, okay, or D N R N K. I will just give any name. You can also give any name. From employee, so it's from employee table. Yeah, now I'm just gonna do this thing, select. I will tell you one thing, if you will run this query, select, don't go with this with, just run this query. I will just show what it exactly is happening here. So if you will see, it's providing a rank based on like if you know about the window functions, like what dense rank and row number does, you will be familiar with that. I am not gonna tell in this video. It's like it will be in a separate video. I will just tell the concept of window function in SQL. So who have already the concept of these window functions, like how it works, they will be able to understand this query. So based on this, I have already applied here dense rank, and I have given column name as DNRNK. So you can see that it has given 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, and again like for HR 1 2 3 4 5 6. So it has grouped the department and has given the dense rank here for that particular thing. So now we will write select. I will just select these columns, same columns, because I want this. Okay, okay, I will write here. And now we'll just go this, yeah, from emp rnk. And there's one more concept here, that is CTE table concept. So if you are familiar, you can understand. If you are not, just go and try to learn all those things. It's like an interview question, so I'm not gonna focus on all these particular details. So select employee ID, employee name, department, salary from emp rank, where this dnrnk should be less than equal to 3. So what exactly it will give, just let's see. So now we can see this. Oh, one second. So now we, and one more thing, you have to run this all query at a time. It's not like that you can run this one and then you will be assigning this one. No, it will not work exactly. So what exactly you have to do is try to execute together. And if you will just, yeah, I have already ran it, but now I can run again. So you can see this, for finance department it has given the 87,000, 85,000, 83,000. For HR it has given top 3, for IT it has given top 3, and for marketing it has given the top 3 with the name. So whatever the column we have selected, it has given this. It has ignored the joining date. If you want, you can select and you can write this column names here. So now that's it here, guys. Thank you. Bye bye. Keep watching.